been a load of compromising on the road to my home. Now don't put back in front, will you? Because you've got a trailer on.
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit A50 towards Stoke-on-Trent.
You f***ing moron! Can't believe that! You f***ing imbecile! That was crazy! I can't... What? You were well behind me and you want to turn left, so you go in front with a loaded trailer? What an absolute moron! What? I just can't understand. What was going through his head then? He wanted to turn left, so why go for an overtake when you wanted to turn left? Hey, oh, there's another one tried it. Someone coming. Look at little advance tried it. There's someone coming now anyway, so got these two and then still another car coming. He's coming again. There's a f***ing brow here. What can you see? There's a brow here. I'm glad you've taken it down. You want to slap, you do. Oh, not again. Oh, you f***ing imbecile. Van's turning left. So's this. That's what you do with him. What a twat. You utter twat.
I think paying money off more is a good idea.
Very, very emotional.
I'd probably put at least 50, 60 grand into the morgue.
The second one was Jurgen Klopp.
Boys are people today.
I like Jurgen, and he was basically saying, look, I'm just running out of energy. I'm running out of road. I've done this.
Are you seriously going to do this
No,
twice?
they're not coming off here.
Stop it. That's just bullying.
Well,
don't do
your
that.
efforts didn't go
I don't
unrecognised,
think...
of course.
Your destination is on the left.
Stop there, you idiot. Damn the taxis, what the fuck do you think you were doing? Wow, I cannot believe it. Okay. I've just backed in this field, I've just walked in to go and ring the farmer to make sure I'm at the right place. What do I find? There's a Indian couple in here. Oh yeah, secretly behind the edge, having sex. They've been caught out. Here you are, look at them, they're going to get out here. They weren't supposed to be in this field. And it was a complete surprise for them when I backed in. She's driving, okay, but they're up to no good in the fucking field here, behind this edge. Oh my god. That was one of the more unusual what's-its, wasn't it? Eh? Sort of need to get uphill a bit if I can to get it straight. That'll do if I can get it off there. Yeah, I don't like it when it's leaning over like this.
Fucking hell, what are you fucking doing? 2 fucking lanes, get the right lane. Fucking idiot. Learn to fucking drive. Just get in the right lane on that roundabout, it's very dangerous there. Well, that doesn't make it right, does it?
No, but you can't shout at me for getting it.
You nearly drove into me because of it, so just be careful on the roundabout is all I'm saying.
No, don't
yeah.
talk to me like that.
Shut up.